you doing? I just thought I'd share my next two projects that I've been doing on my leather work and trying to have some fun. So I wanted to practice or try out some tooling just with some simple tooling tools that I made. But basically I wanted to make this cuff, and so this is just an example of what you can do. I just took one piece of leather and attached this small one on. I was just experimenting with tooling and seeing what I could do and how it would work out. So I thought I would take this smaller piece of leather and saddle stitch it onto this larger piece and make a nice little cuff for myself. Originally what I wanted to do was I wanted to have this a very dark leather, and then a dark dye, and this one being quite a light colored leather, more with the antiquing approach. But I didn't resist it properly, so it didn't work out. But anyway, it looks great. I had fun doing it. It was just a short little project. And then I also wanted to make a new knife sheath for my son and for my son's knife. And so this was a Christmas gift to my son from his grandfather. And so this was his knife from way back when. I think he's had it a long time. And so I wanted to make a nice sheath for it, and he wanted this color, and then basically I wanted to do some tooling on it to experiment some more, practice some more, and so I picked a couple designs for him, and he liked this one. So this is basically a Celtic design that I just copied this and then just created the rest in a similar fashion. So and then it's a Dangler sheath. As you can see, I put his initial on the belt loop as well as on the back here, and so yeah, I like this one a little bit better than my first knife sheath that I made, meaning that I corrected a few of my small issues that I had. I also created a little water drain there. Anyway, hold it in there real nice. And no, I thought it was that was a nice little project to do. So, thanks very much for watching.